watching trains go by. When deep within my heart I hear the starving cry. In a distant land, separated by the sea. In a distant land that feels so close to me.
Come on, now listen out to me. Without your true L-O-V-E, I cannot be what I can be. I cannot see what I can see. Without your true L-O-V-E, without your true L-O-V-E, it's called love.
Love, 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 it's called love. Well, the sugar plum fairy, she said to me, you're not living in the world, you're not in reality. You're reading in the garden with the birds and bees, when you should be out there singing about the one reality
Come on,
called
now listen out to me. Without your true